Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be taking a look at Polkadot. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy DOT, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Polkadot enables cross-chain blockchain transfers of crypto tokens and any other type of data or asset, and gives users the ability to interoperate with a wide variety of blockchains in the Polkadot network. Polkadot is an open-source project founded by the Web3 Foundation, which has commissioned 5 teams and over 100 developers to build Polkadot. The platform guarantees economic scalability by enabling a common set of validators to secure multiple blockchains, and transactional scalability is ensured by spreading transactions across multiple parallel blockchains. Using a sophisticated governance system, upgrades to the Polkadot network are coordinated on-chain and enact autonomously, ensuring that Polkadot's development reflects the values of the community and avoids stagnation. This means Polkadot is a true multi-chain application environment that enables cross-chain registries and cross-chain computation. Polkadot can be used to transfer data across public, open, permissionless blockchains and private, permission-based blockchains, allowing developers to build applications that are granted permission from a private blockchain so that data can be used on a public blockchain. So who created Polkadot? Gavin James Wood is the co-founder of Ethereum and creator of Polkadot and Kusama. Prior to developing Ethereum, James worked as a research scientist at Microsoft, and he proposed and helped develop Solidity, which is a programming language for writing smart contracts. In 2014, he released the Yellow Paper defining the Ethereum virtual machine, which is the runtime system for smart contracts in Ethereum. He also served as the Ethereum Foundation's first chief technology officer. He founded the Web3 Foundation, a non-profit organization focusing on the decentralized internet infrastructure and technology, starting with the Polkadot network. Polkadot uses proof-of-stake mechanisms to enable developers to create interactive blockchains that can communicate with other ledgers to form a system of parachains. Developers are in control of transaction types and fees, and they have the power to decide how fast to confirm blocks of transactions across the digital ledgers. Polkadot's relay chain is responsible for the network's shared security, consensus, and cross-chain interoperability, which greatly improves the governance of the network. Polkadot's parachains allow blockchains to have their own tokens, and functionality can be optimized for specific use cases. Clients on a budget can use the pay-as-you-go parathreads as a more economical alternative for blockchains that don't need continuous connectivity to the network. Parachains and parathreads can connect and communicate with external networks like Ethereum and Bitcoin using Polkadot bridges. DOT, or DOT, is native to the Polkadot platform. It ensures governance over the network and enables staking and bonding. Polkadot token holders have complete control over the protocol and all privileges, which are usually exclusive to miners on most other platforms, but instead is given to the relay chain participants, or DOT holders. DOT holders fulfill a variety of functions within the Polkadot platform. They can choose to act as validators, collators, nominators, or fishermen, or they can participate in the governance of Polkadot. The easiest way to buy and sell Polkadot today is on Coinbase, Binance, or Uphold. Once you have created and verified your account, you can fund your account with a bank transfer, pay with a credit or debit card, or deposit cryptocurrency from another crypto wallet to buy Polkadot. The safest form of storage is a trusted crypto wallet with good ratings. To avoid the theft of assets, the loss of access keys, and so that you know you truly own the coins and tokens that you purchase. Based on research, we have compiled a list of some of the top 3 best wallets that are compatible with Polkadot and are suitable for storing DOT coins. The first wallet is the imToken software wallet, which is designed for mobile users to easily store over 200,000 different coins and tokens. It can be used to send, receive, and stake Polkadot, and includes features such as touch identification, Wallet Connect, and the dApps browser to improve accessibility and security. The next wallet is Trust Wallet, which can be used to buy, store, send, and receive Polkadot and several other cryptocurrencies. It has a support system for over 40 blockchain technologies and the 160,000 tokens that run on them, along with an integrated exchange. And lastly, the Ledger Nano X hardware wallet is extremely user-friendly and can be used to store, receive, send, and stake coins at no extra cost to their wallets. It is user-friendly, and the wallet connects via Bluetooth to either your mobile device or desktop system. The Ledger Nano X wallet supports more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies, and it is one of the most trusted wallets, with all your private keys stored inside the hardware wallet's chip. So what do we like about Polkadot? Polkadot gives developers the opportunity to create custom blockchains within minutes using the Substrate framework, which is a blockchain building framework that is the distillation of Parity Technologies' learnings building Ethereum, Bitcoin, and enterprise blockchains. The owners and developers of parachains are free to design their own governance mechanisms, allowing for maximum freedom without affecting other parachains. This company has revolutionized the way blockchains can be developed, and developers now have the option to integrate with the main network itself and benefit from all the innovative features offered by becoming one of Polkadot's parachains. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of Polkadot. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.